Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. I'm Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana, with a quick walkthrough tour of this brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 series. Let's get started.
First off, what I want to show you is this magnetic slam latch door. So what this helps with is a big gust of wind picks up. You're not going to have this slamming against the coach, creating damage on the side of the coach. It's just an excellent feature that Grand Design does. Next, I want to show you this suspension system right here. Mo-Ride suspension helps the axles to communicate better. If you're going on bumpy roads, you're not going to have it being, one axle is taking all the weight and the other axle is not able to keep up with it. This actually communicates with each other. Another great feature on the outside is the heated enclosed underbelly. So if you look underneath here, you can actually see this mesh right here. It's actually going to be completely enclosed. Keeps you from having freeze break possibilities in your plumbing system. Grand Design does an excellent job of having a superior product as far as the underbelly enclosement goes. Here on the opposite side is the other pass-through storage door. We have this electronic leveling system right here, which helps to get the coach to where it's nice and evenly leveled throughout. A lot of times you're struggling going back and forth, trying to figure out exactly where it needs to be. You have the level on the front kitchen table and it's frustrating. You guys are arguing back and forth. This takes out all the guesswork. Just automatically do it right from that simple, easy, convenient station. One last thing here on the outside. It's an extra large storage bay. This is actually located right underneath the double bunk beds, which I'll show you in a second. Now inside the bunk beds, as I had promised, we have two full-size bunk beds. They're located in the back of the coach, still utilize all of the additional space. They have two very comfortable full-size mattresses here. Little privacy shade if your kids want a little bit of extra privacy at night. And then we also have a little bit of a closet here to help store away some of your clothes. You can store games underneath here, plenty of extra storage. All of the space is adequately utilized in this coach. We move on to the theater seats right here. We have two Thomas Paine theater seats. This is the full recline that they have on each side. You can lay back if you don't want to go all the way to the bed, take a nice little nap. And you also have heat massage features on both of these. Next we have our large U-shaped dinette. Excellent window space here so you can look out over your campsite wherever you are. This also turns into a larger bed. So if you did have an adult that wasn't quite big enough or short enough to sleep in the bunks, this would actually turn to a little bit larger bed by just taking this down and putting it against these rails right here. Next thing we have over here, entertainment center, large counter space. Plenty of more storage underneath there for all the pots and pans, cookware, silverware, all of that kind of stuff. We also have the 3-burner stove here. Has a little splash top, so you're not going to get a bunch of stuff against the back wall right there. And then when you're not using that space, just fold it back down, have a little bit extra counter space. From the living quarters to the bathroom, I'm going to show you a few of the main features that we have in here. So I'm 6'1". This shower is still a plenty tall enough shower for me to stand inside and not be completely pinched up and butting my head up against it. We also have porcelain toilet. For many of you that have had plastic toilets in the past, you know exactly why that's important, to help take care of not getting a bunch of gunk built up in there. Nice, beautiful looking sink and countertop. And then we just have a nice full-size mirror. Still plenty of extra storage in here as well. Last but not least, we have the master bedroom. What we have here, a few lights for reading. We also have a USB charging station right there. Obviously, we all know what that's for, your phone, devices, anything else like that. And then some nice storage above. And at the base of the bed, of course, we have an extra wardrobe for storage and more drawers.
There you go. I hope you enjoyed that tour, learned something a little bit about the 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 series. For more information about this unit or others, you can always check out brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.